Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. This week I'm giving away, or each week I give away an internet marketing gift. And this week it is the seven most common mistakes made in affiliate marketing. So let's get right to it. So this is the download page, and it's the weekly giveaway, 7 most common mistakes made in affiliate marketing. And the giveaway is actually for 5/17/19. I'm a day ahead. The giveaway is an ebook. It's a lot more than an ebook, but you will receive the ebook about the mistakes. And I am an affiliate marketer. I have my own way of doing affiliate marketing, and that is it's quite a bit different. I think it's better, but it's certainly different. And so I'm not real quick. I often pass on sharing a lot of affiliate marketing products and opportunities, partly because I'm not necessarily in agreement with whatever the content might be. In this case, I am in totally agreement, and so I believe this is a product that will do you some good. It's a product that you can use for yourself. It happens to come with resale rights, which means that you can not only use it for your personal use, you can also use it as a giveaway or an incentive or a bonus. You can even sell it and keep all the profits. And what will come with the download is the ebook, the e-cover, also a squeeze page if you wanted to use this to build the list. You'll get a squeeze page, images, thank you pages, and again the resale rights. And as you can see, download now, there's no email, there's no strings attached. It's a free download. And if you go to the page, you're also going to find kind of a fun story about the gas company. I think you'll enjoy that. So that is my pick of the week. Now this particular giveaway happens to kind of tie into a video series that I'm working on. If affiliate marketing is something that is of interest to you, I'm going to leave a link to the first video in an affiliate marketing training video series. That's my weekly giveaway, and as you can see, there's no strings attached, no email required. You'll find a link to the download page. You'll find a link below. If this is something that is of interest to you, give us a like and go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. That way you won't miss out on future videos. And just for your information, I usually come out with a weekly giveaway, of course, once a week. I also have a pick of the week, and that should be out tomorrow or next day. That's really something special. So those are things you don't want to miss out on, along with other videos that I come out about affiliate marketing, internet marketing, YouTube channel, YouTube growth. So these are ways that this channel will help you, and so just don't miss out. Subscribe and ring the bell. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.